Homicide detectives are investigating a deadly shooting that happened about 4:30 this morning in St. Andrew that left a woman dead and her mother hospitalized in serious condition. The deceased has been identified as 26-year-old Maya Ashley, an accountant of Appleton Avenue, Patrick City, Kingston 20. Her 49-year-old mother, a U.S. citizen, remains in hospital undergoing treatment. Investigators are probing allegations that gunmen were hired to carry out the attack. Reports indicate that Miss Ashley went to the Norman Manley International Airport to pick up her mother, who had arrived from the United States. On their return home along Appleton Avenue, gunmen reportedly opened fire on the vehicle. Miss Ashley, who was driving, attempted to escape but lost control after being shot multiple times. The vehicle crashed into a perimeter fence. Police responded and transported both women to hospital, where Miss Ashley was pronounced dead and her mother admitted in serious condition.